Hi Jetset Times, I'm Pidoux, the owner of Maison Plume, a pastry shop in Paris. I'm from a family where my parents eat organic since I was a little kid, but still love food when I was a teenager, removing sugar from my recipes, and also because I'm gluten intolerant myself and lactose intolerant as well. I was close to this kind of food restrictions and I knew I was not the only one. Plume means feather in French, for the lightness of the pastries because they're all sugar-free, gluten-free, also for the comfort of all the chairs here. Actually in 2010 it was still very rare here in France, but I would say in my family since the 90s we were conscious about that. Well, sometimes asthma, hurt my stomach, also the feeling of a bruise the next day, you know, and I felt more tired. I'm not celiac, but gluten intolerant. Well, I had the idea in 2012, so I did all my studies and my work experiences in order to be able to open this place. So I did a pastry school, and then I had master's of entrepreneurship, also in a business school in France. All those years allowed me to test some recipes in my kitchen, but just for me, for my friends, also to be able to build my business plans, things like that. When I started to look for locations, it took me 4 months to find this one. It's always a bit difficult, but when I found this place, Rue Charlot, in the 3e arrondissement, I was very happy about that. Ours is 100% gluten-free, plus also a low glycemic index. Everything is sugar-free here. It works for diabetic people as well. It's not only gluten-free flours, it's also flours that won't give you a spike in your blood sugar. So that's the most important thing. Many of the pastries work for keto diet as well. It was a lot of tests, a lot of R&D. There were many tests to respect the chemistry of the pastry. The lemon meringue, we have it all year long, that's one of our specialty. And during summer, the strawberry one, le fraisier. I want them to be able to find the pastry that suits them. We have many dairy-free options, also vegan options, and also our pastries have no sugar, so they're still sweet, but you taste more the real taste of the ingredients. You feel lighter after that. Many people tell me, I'm not a dessert person, but yours, I really love them because after it you don't feel heavy, you just can eat several. Once there was an Italian woman who cried actually a bit because she told me it has been 4 years since I've eaten a pastry, and I'm so moved by that and I'm so happy to be able to eat one today, so I thought, okay, I opened for a reason. I think it's being able to help some people that don't really manage to bake them at home, or the parents of the little girl that told me, oh yeah, that's so frustrating for her because her friends at school can eat really nice pastries, but I come and buy cookies at Maison Plume, and I think that's lovely. Bye Jetset Times, see you in Paris!